National Green Tribunal has issued notices to Goa, Maharashtra and Centre for dredging in Terekhol River. One of the members of Keri Terekhol Pali Gram Bachao Samiti has approached NGT praying not to allow dredging of Terekhol River. NGT has issued notices to all the parties and it will hear the matter on 27th of November. One of the private companies had started illegal dredging in the Terekhol River recently without any NOCs of the Goa authorities. Keri Terekhol Palia Gram Bachao Samiti member has approached the National Green Tribunal against the dredging in Terekhol River. One of the private company has started dredging of Terekhol River for smooth navigation of barges to the Aronda Jetty. Villagers have opposed the dredging at the mouth of Terekhol River, fearing threat to the existence of their nearing villages and fishing business.
आम्ही ऍप्लिकेशन जे फायल केला तातून आम्ही मागणी केला की ड्रेजिंग जे तेरेखोलच्या न्हंयच्या मुखाचेर जे ड्रेजिंग करपाचो प्रकार जे करूंक सोदतात त्या प्रकाराक पूर्ण बंदी घालची आणि सँड बार जावं ड्रेजिंग अशें कांयच करचें न्ही जाणे करून आमच्या न्हंयचे मुख हेचे प्रॉब्लेम जातलो आणि ताका नैसर्गिक रित्या जे एक ऑब्स्टकल आसा ते डिस्ट्रॉय करचे न्हय आणि जाका लागून पुराय गांव आमचो जो आसा तेरेखोल केरी पालये हे गांव सुरक्षीत आसात ते तशेंच रावचे आणि ताका कोणेच हात लावचो न्हय अशी मागणी आमी आमच्या ऍप्लिकेशनान केल्ली आसा.
Samiti's legal advisor Prasad Chapurkar says NGT has issued notices to Goa, Maharashtra and Centre and fixed the next hearing on 27th of November.
फुडली सुनावणी 27 नोव्हेंबर सकाळी दवरला. आम्ही आमच्या ऍप्लिकेशनात रिस्पॉन्डंट म्हणून कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स, कोस्टल CRZ ऑथॉरिटी, गोवा स्टेट पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड, महाराष्ट्र स्टेट, महाराष्ट्र मरीनटाईम बोर्ड, युनियन ऑफ इंडिया आणि किरण पाणी पोर्ट प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड अशा 7 लोकांक आम्ही रिस्पॉन्डंट केल्ले आसा.
On 3rd November, one of the private companies had suddenly started dredging mouth of Terekhol River. Villagers strongly opposed the dredging, claiming that company does not have any permission from the state authorities. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent. Activists demanded thorough probe in the death of Father Bismarck Dias. A solidarity meet at Sandestiv on Monday demanded immediate test of viscera, a CBI inquiry and justice for the former priest turned activist Bismarck Dias. The solidarity meet in the presence of hundreds of villagers resolved to step up pressure on the government. Serious questions were raised over the difference between two post-mortem reports vis-a-vis Panchanama.
Meeting demands that the chemical analysis report should be sent quickly and the report should come back soon. Here suspicious condition आमकां investigate करपाक एक designated police officer करचे.
एक पुतलो खंय बांदचो ह्या गांवांत आनी त्या पुतल्याचेर अशें घालचें फुडले जनरेशनाक आनी लोकांक कळूंक प्रोटेक्टर of environment and savior of Goa.
3/8/2015. Name and address of the accused: Marcus J. Montero, alias Jack Montero, residence of Miramar, house number Sunset Zuam. Proof. First proof. हांव चॅलेंज मारता आमचे सिस्टमाक आनी हांव चॅलेंज मारता आमचे ओल्ड गोवा पुलीस स्टेशनाक इतले दीस जाले क्लू मेळना म्हणटा तुम्ही लीड दिवंक जाय. आता हांव तुमकां दुसरी कंप्लेंट सांगता 4 तारखेची. 4 तारखेची कंप्लेंट व्हेरी लाउड अँड क्लियर नेम ऑफ द एक्युज्ड आहा रिबेलो. आता हांव सेकंड चॅलेंज मारता पुलीस स्टेशनाक तेन्नाय ते म्हणटात तुम्ही कंप्लेनी घालूंक जाय.
The second autopsy report is out. Instead of giving any conclusion in the second autopsy report on the cause of his death, the forensic expert have suggested diatom study of the samples and chemical analysis of viscera. The authorities would accordingly now send sample of water in the creek of Sandestiv where Father Bismarck's body was found floating. The viscera would be sent to Hyderabad. Social activists have raised doubts over Father Bismarck's death, calling it suspicious since he was involved in several public protests, including some environmental issues relating to CRZ violation in his own Sandestiv village. Earlier, musical program of Goan for Goa and Save Goa group from Carmona was held to support Amarnath Naik from Tuve, whose trees were cut without any notice to tenants. Father Bismarck Dias was supposed to participate in this protest.
We are sending a strong message to the Chief Minister of Goa, Mr. Parsekar. If the people of South Goa from the end of South Goa could come all the way to Tuve, to your constituency which you are degrading and destroying, we are putting you on notice in open. And I am telling you, we will fight you tooth and nail.
Vilas Arolkar with Dinesh Karpe for Prudent. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.